Hi, I'm Katie English and I'm very pleased to be returning to making it. This time I'll be doing relief printmaking. Last time we were doing soundtracks. Funnily enough, I got into printmaking, having studied it a bit at school. I got back into printmaking properly through my music activities when I realised I would need to make about 150 copies of an album sleeve as cheap as possible, so as DIY as possible, and suddenly remembered about lino printing, and and it sort of went from there really. My Making It workshop today is around relief printing, particularly with collage printing. So we're going to be using scraps that you would find around the house, bubble wrap, string, corrugated cardboard, all that sort of thing, to create textures that then we'll use as a printing board. This activity is very easy to do at home. We're using poster paints today, so they're very accessible, and then it's just textured items that you'd find around the house. We've got bits of hessian, garden netting, things like that. So it's all things that you would find at home, and with the idea that things that would otherwise get thrown out get used to create something completely new. I'm hoping that everyone will go away today having learnt something new. If they're already printmakers, then they'll get to experiment with a new medium and a new way of printing. If they've never printed before, then they'll discover something very simple that they can do at home. I'd just like to say thank you to I.O.U. for having me back, and looking forward to seeing what we create later today.